Look how creamy that is. Oh my gosh.
If you wanna do it, this moment is perfect. Let's go on and do it. Oh my goodness, and I'm in the mood, yeah. Just best that we undress and go on and do it.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ree. If you are new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. If you are already one of the girls, hey girl. So you guys already know what it is. I got the nails from r.royal nails on Instagram. Check out the Instagram and you can see the full details of my nails. They are it, girl. Okay, and yes, they are press on by moi, so make sure you check that out. Make sure you go follow and place your orders. Don't mind the makeup on my shirt, y'all, because I've had this on all day. This was just a last minute video. This was just something I was like, let me just do real quick. I've been dying to do this video, so if you're gonna appreciate me, appreciate me. If you not, then don't. So today I'm going to be showing you guys close up how I do my lip combos. I know everybody really love how I do my lip combos. Not to toot my own horn or anything, but you already know. So let's get right into this video. Okay, so I zoomed in so that you guys can get into my lips better. Get into this beat. Y'all, this is an all day beat. I had this beat on all day. The hair is laid, honey, per usual. But yeah, let's get straight into it. I use Kiss. This is my favorite lip liner. It's Kiss New York, dark brown. The style number is KLPL04. And this is my go-to. I love how creamy it is. I love that it's matte, and I love that it glides very soft, like easily, like so easy. I don't know why I said easily like that, but it glides very easy. So I'm gonna show y'all. I start with that, and I like to overline my lip like so. The bottom lip I don't overline. The bottom lip I just do regular liner, and then I kind of like color in the spots that I missed. And then I do that. If you don't want to do that, you can take a brush, a square brush like this. I use this for my lip combos. I got this from Zoria on Amazon. It's a full pack of like brushes, and I just pull down. And you can already see that the top lip is looking very plump, just bigger. I don't know, y'all know the it girl look. The girls that get it, and the girls that don't. So I'm gonna start off with, I don't know, my favorite go-to. I think I might save my favorite go-to one for like the end. I'm gonna show you guys like a nice neutral lip. I should have got some tissues. Hold on, y'all, let me get some tissue. Okay, so for like a neutral, like nice neutral lip, I usually go in with my Sephora. This is a Sephora lip plumper in the shade Outrageous. It's called Outrageous, and it's so cute. It's their nude. Y'all, if y'all get this, y'all are gonna love it. It's supposed to be a lip plumper, but I don't really understand lip plumpers, so I just go in lightly with this. My lips look so dry. They're not, y'all. I usually do this if I'm doing like a simple look, like something real simple, because you don't really need much. Like if you're not wearing any full face makeup and you want to do a simple beat with just, you know, natural face, it gives. And the lip plumper itself, I feel like keeps my lips hydrated, so that's the main reason why I love the lip plumpers from Sephora. It just keeps my actual lip not dry under it, and it doesn't dry out fast at all. So this is a finished look for this one. I love this look. I love this if I'm not wearing makeup, like I said, and just like a quick go-to. And it's very moisturizing, just all in one. Usually I use less lip liner, but I didn't really know what lip combo I was going with first, so I kind of just did my lip liner regular. But usually I use less lip liner because I'm not really a big fan of that look of like big choppy lip liner. I'm not a big fan of that. With the full face, it gives, you know, with the full face it looks really good. But if you weren't wearing makeup, you get what I'm saying. So let's get into the next lip combo. Okay, so we got that off and we're just gonna go in with the lip liner again. I'm wasting a lot of product, but it's okay. And as you can see, like even when your lip stuff like wears off, this method, it like lasts all night. So most of the time all I have to really do is go over my actual lip combo, lip gloss, instead of continuously lip lining. Me, I'm extra, so I lip line over and over anyways, but you don't have to. This is one of my favorite lip combos. I mixed these two colors right here. This is something, if you look on my Instagram page, most of my pictures, most of my lip combos, most of my looks, I am using these two combos together. I got this from a hair store. You can look up the name if you want to. It's called Nana Coco, Nanacoco, and the color is Love Affair. These are like so creamy and so good. Before we even get into that, I also have this. It's by Revlon. It's a shine lipstick that I use on top of my lip liner. A reason why I use it is because it makes my lip blend so much better. I feel like the lip liner is matte, and you know, even if you're using a glossy lip gloss or just like a cream lip gloss, this is kind of shiny and it just makes everything blend. So you're gonna see the difference if you try this with your lip combos. This one is color 010 New Shine. It's by Revlon and it looks like this. It's the color chocolate luster, and it looks like this, and it's so creamy. And you don't need a lot, so it literally lasts you forever. And then I'm gonna go in with my base color so you get a nice chunk of it. Look how creamy that is. Oh my gosh. And I like a lot, y'all. Everybody don't like a lot, but I like a lot. You know, you can do it how you want to do it. So when you do that Barbie doll Bratz effect, you kind of want to just put the lip gloss up to the point of your natural lip line because you overlined it. So that's basically what I do. Just like that. And then I'm gonna go in with this color right here. This is one of my favorites. This has always been one of my favorites. I believe I showed you guys this color before. It's by Revlon, if y'all don't know already by now. My favorite brand of lip stuff is Revlon. Like, Revlon is killer. I see a lot of people use NYX or NYX. I want to try them out, but so far Revlon has my heart. This one is called Sky Pink. I just know it by heart. It's Sky Pink. It's number 207 and it's the Revlon lip gloss. And I just like to take it and put a little bit, like a little bit in the middle. And then there you have it. Is this not a lip? Y'all, get into it. Like, how could you not? How could you not? How could you not? This is a lip. Let's turn my flash on because I don't think y'all looking at it good enough, baby. This is a lip. This is my go-to. This is my favorite. I know I'm like overdoing it right now, but this is a lip. It's so neutral. It's so like that puckered lip look, and it's just so like Bratz doll. It's just so cute, like, period. Because what was said. Oh, this is really, really cute. It's me. I'm so infatuated. Like, girl, you see it all the time. I might leave my flashlight on. I really, really miss my ring light. Like, this is really blowing me. But I love this lip. I feel like it give me that that look, you know. If you don't have this combo right here, you're missing out. You can easily just throw this in your purse. Literally, I just throw it in my purse and I put my lip liner in there and I call it a night. And I just touch my lip up everywhere. When I be in a club, I touch my lip up. I don't care, I turn my flash on my phone, touch my lip up. When I be in a restaurant, touch my lip up. You just never know. You never know who you're gonna be around. You never know who you're gonna see. You never know when you're gonna wanna take pictures or a video. Y'all know I love hookah. When I'm blowing my hookah, I fix my lip. Cause what if I want a video blowing my hookah? I need my lip to be on point, honey. Duh. Let's get into the next lip combo, y'all. Okay, you guys, so my next lip combo that I love to do, not even love to do, I'm lying. My next lip combo that I was put onto by Jessie is the e.l.f. lip gloss. I heard it's really, really good, so we're gonna try it out and we're gonna see what the big hype is about, what the big deal is about, because it's also a lip plumper. It's called Sparkling Rose. It's a lip plumping gloss, it says it right there. And we're gonna try it out. This is like a pink color. I also have it in like a nude color, and I'm gonna show you guys how both of them look. So typically I like to take the nude color and put the nude color on first, and then put this in the middle, on kind of like on top of it, kind of like how I did the other combo. But in this video I'm gonna do it separately so that you guys can see how both colors look on. Oh yeah, these are the nails. Make sure you follow my nail store on Instagram. Super creamy, and I feel like it's very pigmented. I feel like this could definitely be like a go-to, something I use on my clients. And I also feel like with this gloss, I don't need a lot. Like that right there already does it. I'm just extra, so I'm gonna put more. But look at how pretty this is. This is a lip. Jesus. This actually doesn't look too bad. This is actually a cute lip combo. I love it. Thank you, Jessie. It's really cute, and it's not like I didn't have to put a lot on, and it's also a lip plumper, so it's a little like tingly, and I actually like that feeling because like I told y'all before, it's kind of moisturizing. So we're gonna see if this one is that same type of moisturizing effect. Like when my stuff dries off, it doesn't really get dry. It's still, my lips are still kind of moist. So I like this little combo. This is cute, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna take a few thumbnail pictures. Y'all already know. So this is it with flash. Okay, so we're gonna do the last lip combo, see how that comes out. We're gonna do the liner. We're gonna do the chocolate, which is optional. And then we're gonna do the nude color. So this nude color is also by e.l.f. It's also a lip plumper, and it is the color Mocha Twist. I like it. I think it's the perfect shade of nude, and it's glossy. Only thing that I didn't really care for when it came to this one was that it's really, really clear. So it kind of gives me, either it's clear or it just matches my lip color too much. So this is how it looks on. Cute, neutral. I usually go in with the pink, or last night I went in with the pink, and I just put like a dot of it in the middle. just to kind of pigment it up a little bit. This is the last lip combo. So this concludes the end of my video. If you have made it this far, make sure you don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching this much of the video. Actually, if you haven't already, make sure you follow all my social media platforms, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe down below. Thank you guys for watching, and if you want more of this video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button so I can know that you liked it. Let me know in the comments down below what y'all think. What was your favorite? 1, 2, 3, or 4? That girl, if you're it girl, if you get it, you get it. If you don't, you don't. All of these looks were giving, and I want to do more videos like this, so let me know in the comments. Bye, you guys. Have a great day.